Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I got some Japanese friends coming over for dinner, so I'm actually cook a little bit more. I'm going to make the Malaysian curry chicken, right? My favorite, and also I hope they like it too. I have approximately one whole piece of free-range chicken here. This is, I actually requested the seller to cut it into, this is probably like, I can't remember how many parts lah. It's chunks, yeah, big chunks. I probably pay for about 50 ringgit, yeah, 50 ringgit for this 2 kg free range chicken. Then this is how we mix the curry paste. I have one portion of turmeric powder, one portion of coriander powder, one portion of this is the meat curry powder, and also 2 portions of red chili powder. So it's 1, 1, 1, 2. This is the kind of ratio you want. Some people say they can't take spicy, they want to reduce the amount of the red chili powder. No problem at all. This is your home cooking. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen, right? So you can also make 1, 1, 1, 1. Or just actually the most basic formula is red chili powder, turmeric powder, and also coriander powder. Combine these 3, you already will get a very nice curry. This ready mix Baba's curry powder is actually something extra, right? Then you are going to need some fresh herbs. I have some chopped and minced ginger, garlic, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots and some curry leaves. I will be adding some potato inside the curry as well. Definitely one of my favorite as well, yeah. Now some people will actually marinate this curry, this chicken with a bit of salt and also curry powder. To me, that is optional. So you can choose to do it if you like, no problem. Sometimes I will just marinate it with some light soy sauce or fish sauce. That's all. Last but not least, we will need some coconut cream or coconut milk, yeah? And also I'll be putting in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder for added flavor. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. So I'm going to show you how to quickly make the curry paste easily. First, give it a bit more oil here, easily 4 to 5 tablespoons to start with. A little bit more is perfectly fine because all your curry powders is going to soak up the oil, yeah? So let's heat up the oil before we continue. Once the oil is heated up, we are going to put in the fresh herbs. And let's saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. We will try to brown it a little bit, yeah? So that the fragrance, the aroma from all this ginger, garlic will release. Usually I will add in a bit of a minced tomato as well, but today I don't have tomato with me, so never mind. I'll come back shortly. This is right after about 2-3 minutes sauteing, yeah? What we are trying to do here is we are actually trying to flavor the oil. Yeah, so this oil now is very, very aromatic. Next thing, I'm going to tune down to low heat, yes? Make sure it's low heat because we are about to put in the curry powders where it can actually get burned very easily. So always make sure you tune down the heat before you add in the curry powders. Then you can start mixing everything up. And first thing you will notice is all the oil is going to be soaked up by the curry powders. If you feel it's too dry, you do have to add more oil, yeah? And now we can slowly raise the heat to medium. It is a little bit too dry right now. I'm going to add in some oil. And I will give it some base flavor, some salt to start with. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of salt to start with. So you want to slowly saute this curry paste for the next 3 to 5 minutes, yeah, using a low-medium heat to really get the flavor out. And one thing you don't want it to happen is the curry to get burnt. So don't use too high heat. Yeah, use medium low, better, safer. Actually, Appa has burned my curry paste few times because every time when I was too engrossed in looking through from the video, because I'm making video, because of that my curry paste got burned. So it is safer to use medium low heat. Yeah, slowly saute this. Keep on stirring. Easier to use non-stick if you can. Alright, so I will keep on sauteing this for the next 3 to 5 minutes before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Right, this is after approximately 4-5 minutes sauteing. I actually added a little bit oil just now, so that it's not too dry. Yeah. Next thing, we can actually put in the marinated chicken. I marinated it with a little bit of light soy sauce. Ooh, not sure if my wok is too small today. Very seldom I cook so much. And I'm only using a 30 centimeter wok, which is not big. And also the potato chunks. Right, next thing, mix everything up nicely. Okay, my wok can be a little bit small today. Yeah, mine still can do. I don't think I want to change to my 32 centimeter. This 30 centimeter will be able to help me today. No problem. Let me double check the angle. Let's mix up everything nicely. It is super fragrant already. Sorry for my wok moving around because I'm using an induction cooker, so it doesn't stay in one place. Right. So you want to mix all nicely. Now we can raise the heat actually to medium high. First of all, I'm going to add in some hot water. You can use room temperature water also, never mind, no problem. I like adding a little bit of diluted coconut milk first. Alright. Wow. So what you want to make sure now is everything is nicely submerged under the broth. And try to scrape the bottom a little bit, so then we won't waste any curry paste at the bottom. Wow, already it looks very good, isn't it? Right. So now we are going to give it some seasoning. I'm going to give a big teaspoon of salt. Some of my cooking Appa chicken stock powder, about 2 teaspoons. You do want to balance the curry a bit by putting in some sugar. This is approximately slightly more than 1 tablespoon of sugar here. You can still adjust to taste towards the end. Some will actually prefer to make the curry broth, then only they put in the chicken can also, no problem, right? You decide how you want to do it. And we shall bring this to a boil. Look at all the beautiful chili oil that releases. Wow, this is why you want to slowly saute your curry paste. That will create the beautiful chili oil releasing. And I'm using Babas, Malaysian, the Babas red chili powder. It is not spicy at all. So actually, you want to control the spiciness, just choose different kind of red chili powder. I tried once Pakistanis, woohoo, super spicy. I also cannot tahan. All right, now that it is started to boil, I'm going to close the lid and tune down to medium low or medium to let it simmer and cook for another 20, plus minus 20 to 30 minutes, yeah? All right, this is after approximately close to about 28 minutes. Wow, look at this. Can you see how beautiful it becomes? Look at the beautiful chili oil. Really nice, but not not spicy, yeah? So basically it's almost done. I'm just going to give it some the thickened coconut milk. Actually, I'm using coconut cream today. This is my favorite brand. It will emulsify your curry further, yeah, making it more creamier. That's why you want to add some coconut milk, and also the flavor. Ooh, the coconut flavor is going to make your curry very distinctive. Next thing, we just want to use some salt and sugar to adjust to taste. Then it is done. All right, I added some salt just now. So here's my curry chicken. I always prefer the more watery style of curry chicken so that I can banjil my white rice later. I like to banjil my white rice with the curry chicken. All right, done. Ready to be served. All right, so here's my very simple Malaysian curry chicken. I'm going to garnish it with curry leaves on top. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.